Hello, students. So, today I am here to take up the new chapter, chapter 3 Kinds of Sentences. I have already explained this topic from the old book, but today I am going to explain you all again so that you all just would have a quick revision. Okay, so yes, sentences are of four types. I've already told you in the previous video that there are four kinds of sentences. They are number one, statement, number two, question, number three, command, and number four, exclamation. I've already told you that there are four types of sentences: statement, question, command, and exclamation. Now, I'm going to explain each kind with its examples given in the book. So, yeah, we'll start with statement. So, what is a statement? I'm going to read out the definition for you all. This type of sentence states or says something. States or says means tells us something, like it is a simple sentence framed properly with the correct words and which provides you the complete meaning, and it tells you what is happening or what happened, or it tells you about something or someone, like it can be living thing and non-living thing, both. So a statement is a type of sentence that states means tells or says something about someone or what has happened or what is happening, like it is a simple sentence which tells you something. You see the examples over here. You see the first example, we go to school by bus. So here we, what is we? We is a subject. So here the subject is telling us that we go to school by bus, that the subject go to school by bus. We is a subject, so we go to school by bus. It is a proper sentence framed properly with the correct usage of words. So that means this is a statement, and you see it ends with a full stop and it begins with a capital letter. You see the other example also, Bobby is a beautiful girl. So Bobby, who is Bobby? Bobby is a subject. So in this sentence, it is telling us about Bobby, like who is Bobby? Bobby is a beautiful girl. So it is telling something about Bobby. So that means a statement always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop, and it gives a complete meaning. It tells us something about someone or something, living thing or non-living thing. Here you see a statement sentence always ends with a full stop. I've already told you in the previous video that a statement always starts with a capital letter and it always ends with a full stop. Not a question mark, not an exclamation mark, but statement always ends with a full stop. So what is a statement? It is a type of sentence. States means tells or says something. Okay? You have already seen the examples also, and it always begins with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. Now we'll move on to our next type of sentence, question. What is a question? Yes, question. So first I'm going to read out the definition. This type of sentence asks something. Ask something means the sentence will be framed in a question form and you have to answer it. For example, if somebody asks you, what is your name? That means that sentence is in the question form because somebody is asking your name. So, when somebody asks you something, that means that sentence, that person will frame in a question form. You can see the examples over here. Why is he sweating? You can see the first example, why. What is why? Why is a question word. Why, when, what, where, all these are question words. So, why is he sweating? See, this sentence is starting with a question word and ending with a question mark. So when a sentence starts with a question word and ends with a question mark, means the sentence is in the question form. That means the sentence is in the question form. You can see the other example also. What is she drinking? See, in this sentence, the sentence is asking something, asking us something. What is she drinking? That means if the sentence is asking something, that means the sentence is in the question form. because it has got a question word what and it is ending with a question mark. That means this sentence is in the question form, not in the statement form. If it would have been in the statement form, it would have got full stop at the end, but it has got question mark, so that means this sentence is in the question form. A sentence that asks something, asks a question, ends with a question mark. I've already explained you this, that a sentence asks something like something or about someone, it has to end with a question mark. These sentences ask about something or someone. I have already explained you that these sentences ask about something. Something means it can be non-living thing, of course, and someone means it can be living things. So these sentences ask about something or about someone. So when a sentence asks something, that means that sentence is in the question form. Now we move on to.
Now I am going to explain the other two in the next video. For today you just revise these two, the statement and the question. The other two I will explain in the next video. Thank you.